Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Wow, is this volatility insane? Welcome to my 3026th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and of course, that would be me. Traders, dig in, this is insanity. We know that trading is risky, right? You know, we know, I know trading is risky. If you didn't know that, you haven't ever traded before, I promise you. Trading is risky. Put your stops in first, your protective stops, before you get into a live position. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you respect the risk. Traders, in last night's video, by the way, this video is for trading on Wednesday. That would be February 4th, 2026. In last night's video, I was in astonishment, and I pointed out that this is the world's fastest price adjustment. I've never seen it in 44 years. Makes no sense at all, but here we are, the market recovering just like that. Basically, you could tell by the video last night, I was astonished. I'll tell you what really should be going on. We're doing a price adjustment right now. The Fed, Powell, stopped lowering rates. That means, in plain English, if you've never heard the old adage before, the party is over. The music has stopped. Some of the party goers are now going to run for the exits. It always happens when the Fed stops lowering rates. Of course, that's just an analogy for the fact that when you're lowering rates, A, you're buoying the market up. B, it's costing less and less for companies to borrow money that they will then lend right back out as corporate bonds to take in more money to run their day-to-day businesses and generate the monies that they generate. When you stop lowering rates, they know one thing, it's not going to get any cheaper. To get the money, it might get more expensive. The market reacts. That's the same thing as the music stuff. The market generally has a bigger reaction when it has a price adjustment. So we went down for one day and then came all the way back up. Well, 2 days, 1, 2. And came all the way back up, and I thought, does not look right. Well, let's add in what happened since. We went right back down again, all the way down, back to Otapma, and now it makes more sense. Now it looks more normal to me where we should end up down here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? This should adjust. You stop lowering rates, you're going to get a price adjustment. That one-day run-up looked to me like, of course, that's such a big bar, looked like it might have already had its adjustment, but I went, what? In 2 days? Nah. All right, we'll do whatever, you know. If that's going to be the adjustment, we'll live with it. But this looks more inclined with what an adjustment should look like. Down here, big red bars and more likely to come. The Omni is red, by the way. This says green Omni. It flipped again. It is now a red Omni. I'll change the color. So in the last 3 days, I've had red, green, red. So Omni's starting to flip a lot where it is right now. All right, so Omni flipped. We're looking for the downside. A price adjustment is warranted. This bar looks a lot more normal during a price adjustment than the one prior. All right, so that's what your ES looks like. Here's your NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like this. We did the same exact sort of thing. We went from the top to the bottom and then had this massive recovery. That massive recovery made no sense. This bar makes more sense to me. Likelihood is we test more downside than heading straight back up. We'll let the markets tell us, but I think that this looks more like the bar during some sort of a price adjustment in the markets than that big green run up. Let's let this go 1 day at a time. What else is out there for us to look at? Okay, so there is this. Now, even though the E-mini S&P is having a price adjustment, you must realize something. All-time forever highs are right here. We are right here. All-time forever highs are right here. In fact, let me use something else. All-time forever highs are right here. The market is right here. So it adjusts a little bit. So what? Maybe it's got to adjust down here. Maybe here. So what? In the bigger scheme on the weekly, this looks fantastic right now. We're just about near the all-time forever highs. Let it adjust a little bit. We're not really cracking here. What else can I show you? Let's see. Oh, then there's this. The Dow Jones Transportation Average deemed the leader of U.S. indices. If you don't believe it's the leader, please have a discussion with Charles Dow, because it was named after him several hundred years ago. His theory is correct. I've shown it to you in many videos. Look at the transportation average leading a few months out. It is showing fantastic moving forward sort of trajectory. Why? Well, because what you're seeing right there is this company got a whole lot of orders, and they ordered a whole bunch of raw materials that are going to get sent to their factory because they got a whole lot of orders for the future, sometime this year, to deliver these bells. Another company got a whole lot of orders, so they went out and bought a whole lot of raw materials which have to be delivered. Then the product's got to be made, and that's got to be sent out to distribution centers. Then that's got to be sent to people because new bells were ordered next month, 3 months from now. The transportation average sort of shows us purchase orders in the future. Well, it looks like this is going to be a strong year based on that and based on that weekly chart I just showed you. So don't lose your head if it does start to adjust. The other thing we looked at was this, traders. Remember this guy? I gave you Tesla. And I said the gift to you is that now that we are below OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, you can now sell rallies into it in OTAPMA, in Tesla. And look at what's happened so far. Bravo, right? It's been working. You can continue to do that unless we get back above that average. And then we've got something insane like this. Traders, with all the bad stuff going on, take a look at the Omni trading token. So far, it is holding its own. It's doing everything it was supposed to do thanks to all of you Omniacs around the world. And you know, right now, you can buy your Omni trading tokens right on Coinbase-wallet. You do not need a Phantom wallet. You do not need Solana. You can go right to Coinbase-wallet. You can search for on Coinbase. You can search for our Omni token with the address right below this video. The token address is there. Drop that in Coinbase. You can buy it right there. That is phenomenal. That's astronomical. Thank you so much, Coinbase. Now, Omniacs around the world, look at this. We've got something interesting going on this chart. First off, we are completely subscribed, so it's not going to just run down unless one of our holding Omniacs, who are long-term, part of our Omniacs Unite crew, are holding on, and they know to hold on until it's time for us to take some profits. I'll let us know when that good time comes. The Omni's geared to go much higher, but we are fully subscribed right now. But what's interesting about this chart is this. It's gone up into a bull flag, another bull flag up, a breakout, another bull flag, up into a breakout, another bull flag, and just today we're getting above that bull flag. Now what's interesting about this is look at this chart. See the Omni trading token? It's the same chart, just on a different program. It's been going up since we created it, basically, with some bull flags along the way. Well, watch this. Look at this craziness. Let's turn this into a longer term view. I want to show you something. This is Solana. The Omni trading token is built on Solana. It's priced in Solana. That's the Omni trading token. It's been going up since we created it, basically, with the exception of making bull flags along the way. Solana has been going down since we created this token, but it's built in Solana. So get this. Solana's been going down, 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 down. Omni's built in Solana. Omni on one side, Solana on the other. They're supposed to be on a scale. But instead of, while Solana's going down, Omni taking down Omni with it, this is happening instead. It's happened all along. It's going in the opposite trajectory. Now, get this. When Solana makes its move back up, when you start to get an up move in Solana, our coin has to go crazy towards the upside. Why? Well, if you look at it again, it's been going up while Solana's going down, but it's priced in Solana. So if Solana goes up, it's got to take it with it. And The Omni trading token is in the hands of Omniacs mostly now. It's been fully subscribed, so now when it flips, it's buying and selling. Traders, when you see anybody selling, when you see a red bar, you Omniacs around the world, do what I do, come in and buy their tokens, because now we're holding them. Omniacs around the world are, and I promise you, as soon as Solana goes up, this Omni token has to go up, even if nobody buys. So you need to have your tokens. Get in, get them now, while this thing's still going. Get this. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm just going to click on people who've been holding Omni tokens along this list. It's called holders, right? Over here, I'm sorry. Over here, they're called holders. I am going to just click randomly on these holders. We're going to make this a little bigger. And I'm going to show you, just randomly clicking, what these holders have made. This person's got 37,000 in our Omni token. They probably paid almost nothing. This next holder, I'm just clicking anywhere, has 74,000 in the Omni token made. These are profits, at least built in. 64,000. I'm clicking random people in this list. I'm not stopped. Whoever shows up, shows up. 30,000. I promise you, there is money to be made in this Omni token. Go out and grab your Omni token. It's doing really, really well. Grab it on Coinbase or on pump.fun. Either way, go out and grab Omni tokens. I will continue to protect you. I've got the lion's share, and I'm not going to sell. And I've been continuing to buy all the way up. I just bought yesterday. Market goes down a little, I'll buy more with you. Congratulations, Omniacs. We've got the Omni token in a beautiful spot. If you're a smart Omniac and you're holding, don't sell out. Let this thing pump up. Just hang on. Organically, us Omniacs around the world will do fantastic work with this. Traders, thank you so much. I hope what you've seen has helped you. Go out and buy your Omni trading tokens. And remember, stop sorting. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Need something to drink? It's all happening real and live. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Please be careful out there. Put your stops in. Gold is in play. All that glitters is gold. Take a look at gold and go buy your Omni trading tokens.